Hello guys, what's up? Are you looking for best Casio G-Shock? Here we found Casio MTG B3000 series MTG B3000BDE 1A watch. Main specifications are case size 51.9 by 50.9 by 12.1 mm. Item weight is 148 gram. Case and bezel material is carbon stainless steel. Band solid band, layered composite band, one touch 3-fold clasp. Constructions are triple G resistant, shock resistant, centrifugal force resistant and vibration resistant. Carbon core gold structure. Water resistance is 200 meter. Time adjustment, radio control watch and multiband 6. Power supply and battery life, top solar power system. Smartphone link, app connected features, mobile link, wireless link using Bluetooth. App connectivity features, auto time adjustment, easy watch setting, approximate 300 word time, cities, time and place, watch and status display, self check and phone finder. World time, dual time, 27 time zones, home city swapping, auto summer time, DST switching. Timer, countdown timer, measuring unit is 1 second, countdown range is 24 hours, countdown start time setting range 1 minute to 24 hours, 1 second increments. LED light super illuminator afterglow. LED light color is white. Full auto calendar to year 2099. Hand home position correction features, the auto hand home position correction. Energy saving features, power saving hand stop to save power when the watch is left in the dark. Other features, regular timekeeping, analog 3 hands or minutes, hand moves every 5 seconds, 3 dials, dual time hours and minutes and dual time 24 hours day. Accuracy is plus minus 15 seconds per month with no signal calibration. Battery level indicator.